Chipotle mustard grilled chicken is so good. Let's season a cut of chicken. Get started. First, season with Lori seasoning. Cut two slits into chicken breast. Cutting slits into chicken breast is a technique used to help meat cook more evenly, absorb marinades. Next, garlic powder and chipotle mustard. Next, black pepper. Repeat the process to another side. Make sure coated seasonings evenly. As you can see, I add more Lori seasoning. Next, I put plastic wrap. I put in the fridge for about 1 hour and take it out in the fridge to room temperature before cooking time.
That's the hardest part of the grill right now, so that's what they're going to do. Little drummies going in. It's a slippery one. One more wing. Let's flip that over, it works better. One more wing, let's flip that over there. And then, smoke mines. And then, we got 2 gizzards and a heart. Let them heat up over there. All right, take that tray away. Hurry up. Don't set it up. Get that chicken. If it's a male, it's a female, it has a different unit. You see, in all life forms, there are 2 species. They're the male and the female. There is not a third one. There's only 2. So it's either a male chicken
Nothing hot
or
over there.
a male chicken or a female chicken. Yeah, it's a little cool over here. We're gonna let this open up. What are you doing? Watching the chicken burn? You always use the back of a spoon. Works really good. You gotta do it fast because it's gonna heat up fast. Slobber, something you put on there, there you go. You gotta get the wing. There you put it on there like that. And you do the next one. You put it on. This is Stubbs, by the way. Stubbs is one of my favorites. See, I'm not prejudiced. He's a black guy. I like his stuff. He could be black, white, gray, green. He could be alien as far as I give a crap. As long as he's making me some good stuff. I got a buddy that lives out in the woods. I call him the hairy man. Some people call him Bigfoot. He makes some good dressing. All natural. Flip over. What do I call this, Liv?
Don't say that.
Don't say it. It is the chicken neck. Also looks like a, you know what, you know what I'm gonna say. I always do it. Then we get demonetized. That one needs a little heat yet. I'm gonna stick it
Put it in the middle.
No, I don't want to put it in the middle. Give me that. You just want to get it a little closer to the heat because that'll burn up like it's on sale. All right, now, like anybody else would do, I'm going to throw some barbecue sauce on the other side. I'm going to close the lid. I'm going to turn the heat down. I'm going to go inside and drink a whiskey and have a little Uncle Dave. You don't need to know what that is. But it's good. Oh, look at that. Uncle Dave. No, that's not Uncle Dave. It's Stubbs. Uncle Dave's in the house. On the wings. Gotta get some tips out of there. They'll burn. They'll burn. I like my wings. Gotta baby them a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna put a little barbecue sauce on the back of the neck here a little bit. Which looks like a, you know what. Put the cover on. All right. Chicken is done. Guarantee you. Most people would say, well, it's overdone. Well, you like your chicken the way you want it, you cook it the way you want it. That's the way this works in my world. See that one? Vivian will eat it. We're up north, northern Wisconsin right now. Not telling you where, but northern Wisconsin. And 10 minutes ago, they were out there cutting trees and logging. Neighbors out shooting their handguns. That's absolutely fine.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Doesn't
Babe,
bother
can
me.
you film me?
Doesn't bother me a bit. They are. Are you done? Are you happy?
Mm-hmm.
Should I maybe get a little lower? No, that gets in your face. There we go. All right, video is done.